Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
One day, the boys were camping in a forest near a train track. They saw a tiger near the tree. His brother was scared of the tiger and hid himself in the tent. Bravery helps a lot. Dear kids, let's meet with the new word T. Its phoneme is T. Tree, train, tiger, tent, tomato, tulip. Do you know? Imagine a tulip. What colors can tulip be? See you in the next lesson.